Guys, it's alright. Let's relax. We have a surprise for
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much, Fabiola. I'm sorry I hijacked your stage. Now, I'd love to invite our peers, Eddy Kenzo, please come over. I'd love to invite our chairman board, Judge Gozi, please come over. Now, as Richard Hand Uganda, before Ramsey presents an award, also would love to appreciate him in a very special way. And also why I invited Kenzo over, because the inspiration as well was really so pushed by him as well to see on how we can also promote our industry in different ways. And so we prepared something small that we'd love to present to Ramsey Nouh for your contribution, for your love, for the Ikon Awards, for Richard Hand Uganda, for the arts in the industry of Uganda. So I'll invite Kenzo to present something small to you, and also this is us appreciating you.
Wow, good evening everyone. I stand here in two capacities as a partner of Richard Hand under the umbrella of Next Media as the Deputy Group CEO, but also the Chairman of Richard Hand Uganda, Ramsey, as part of my board, and of course on behalf of Ugandans, I have the privilege to say thank you very much for first and foremost accepting to come and step in the part of Africa. The part of Africa, I say part of Africa. And of course accepting our very humble gift in appreciation to what you've done to Africa in terms of inspiring, the next film actors and actresses, but also inspiring hope through film. We're very excited, and of course, thank you, and thank you.
Madam Caesar, Chichi, Echewo. Don't laugh. Don't make me feel bad. Thank you guys. Thank you, Ugandans. Oh my God. This is heavy, Thanks. I want to say a big thank you. But before I do, I would like you to understand something. You see, we fall on the soil, on the African soil, all of us. But come rain, come shine, we're still brothers. We're still sisters. I want to thank Ugandans for all the love and the support so far. It's been immense. As a matter of fact, 2 days ago, I went to one of the secondary schools here, BCK. The love that was shown upon me there was unprecedented, was phenomenal. I can't believe that I had that much power. It was so good, it felt so good. Right now, I don't know if I should go back to Nigeria. I think you should give me a name and a title here, very quickly. But anyways, I just want to tell you that I really appreciate this. Thank you very much, Humphrey, for making this happen. Please, a round of applause for Humphrey. Please support your brother in every way you can. Show love, it's very important. I'm looking forward to a very strong collaboration after this. I'm looking forward to, expanding the horizon beyond just the shores of Uganda, but all across Africa. That's what I'm looking out for. Thank you for having me. I appreciate the love, and God bless you all. Thank you. Yes, let's not forget. You see the beautiful costume. Abrahams, where is he? Wait, courtesy of that guy over there. Thank you.
Ramsey, will you do us the honor of presenting the award for Best Leading Actor?
Certainly.
Awesome.
I love you, Ugandans. You're so proud of your language. Yeah, let me switch. So, because we're very low in the play, you go to Uganda. Did you hear that? All right, now, I'm honored. I'm really honored to be here tonight, and I carry one greetings from Nigeria. I've never forgotten your support for Nigerian films all these years. So, it's my pleasure tonight, as an actor, you know my background. The category of the best actor that is close to my heart. These are your leading men. And the nominees will be
Join Mary Succeed in My Husband's Wife. Michael Waluyo Jr. in The Girl in the Yellow Jumper. Michael Waluyo Sr. in Kafako. Patrick Kakarugani in Tumbini.
It's a major challenge, honestly, that category, father and son. That's my first time hearing that. I've not seen that kind of category, but wow. And the best actor in the leading role goes to the girl in the yellow jumper, Michael Waluyo Jr.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Waluyo Jr. Thank you so much for coming. First of all, I want to thank God for making this possible. For without Him, nothing would have happened. And also, thank you for the director, Lukman. Where is Lukman? Lukman, Ali, and the entire team. It's been an amazing journey. And I want to thank him, who's inspired me since I was a little boy. So I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him, though. I'm actually speechless. I'm very speechless. Thank you so much. Ikon Awards.